Okay, so we're going to show you how to send a mass or a bulk email to your database, or maybe it's to agents locally here in Nabor. So let's go through that. So first, you want to log on to CB Exchange, and you'll click on eMarketing. Okay, we need to create the email first, and I've got it open here. So if the first thing we need to do is get the data and the photos from the listing that we're highlighting, and if you click on listings, your listings will appear automatically. Okay. Don't forget, this is automatically going to create assets for you. Okay, so you don't have to create them from scratch. And let me show you. Now that's only if it's your listing. Okay, but let me show you what that looks like from an agent's perspective. I'm going to log in as an agent, and then you can see some of those items that are created. I'm going to use Sherry Littrell. She's got a pretty cool email in here that I could show you as well. All right. So again, pretending I'm Sherry, I log in, I click listings, and I just go straight to the address. And all you got to do is view the projects. Okay. So if I click view projects, here's everything that I can use to market that listing. Anything with E in front of it is intended for email. Okay, so you can see a couple of these E card. So let's do this just reduced. And I'm going to preview it. Again, the system automatically created this asset for you. It's ready to go unless you have any edits you want to make. Okay, and if you do, you just click edit, and that's how you can get through to change whatever you'd like. Okay, so easy if it's your listing. Okay, a little different if it isn't your listing. So if you're a new agent and maybe you want to promote an open house, I want to show you how to do and access that. So if you click on listings right here, let me unimpersonate her so you can see this next screen. So let's say I want to do an open house email for Sherry. I want to do that listing. So I'm going to click on listings and shared listings. And now I'm going to search for 826 University. Okay. And there it is. So I click on the address, and I'm going to start making a project. Okay. So if it's not your listing, you are creating a project now. Okay. So I click create project, and the product that I want is an e-card. This is for an email. And let's just say it is listing data. It's the price reduced, so I just have used this a lot, so I know that my price reduced is under there, and there it is. And you just click that template that you like. So what this is going to do now, it's going to bring in all the MLS, all the photos, everything into this design, so you don't have to mess with it. Okay, you don't have to go to the agent and ask them for the photos. It's already there for you. So give this a few seconds, and it'll load the images. Got a lot of options here. You can swap photos. You can do whatever you like. Here's the replace photo. So if you don't like this one, you can replace it. Okay. Click replace, and you'll click the project photos, and then it's going to ask for, oh, sorry, should bring it up at the very bottom here, and there they are. Okay. So let's say I want to use this one instead. You'll swap it out, and then press save and continue. Change any of the text that you like. Save and continue. Update your agent profile information. Save and continue. And now you have an email ready to send. And this now does not have Sherry's info on it. It has your info on it. Okay. Ethically, I would definitely get the listing agent's permission to do this first. Okay. So now we want to email this to our contacts. So all you have to do from the screen is click email contacts. Okay. Your Zap contacts are already loaded in here. Okay. If you want, you can upload additional contacts. Okay. So just so you're aware, that is a possibility. So I'm going to click send to contacts. And I'm going to click contacts to go through everyone in my eMarketing database. If you click on groups, you'll notice that you'll see I've already uploaded all of these folks. Okay, so I can select them. You'll notice your Zap will come through as well. So it might say lead router, it might say Zap, it might say both. Anybody you put in Zap automatically gets added to eMarketing, just so you know, and you can select them. So I'm going to select that group, and then all I got to do is press next and send. Okay, and it's going to confirm. You can also schedule this. So maybe you're doing some pre-work for something that you want to launch next week. You can do that. And I love that. Okay. You can send it at times that makes more sense for an agent. So maybe you don't want to send it in the middle of the day. You want to send it when everybody's at home relaxing on the couch, maybe 6, 7 o'clock at night, or maybe later. I know you guys work 24/7. So just saying, if you don't want to send it at lunchtime, you have that option. Okay. All right. So last thing I want to do is just show you how you can add in contacts, and that is through this contacts tab. Okay. And that would be import contacts, or you can create an individual. But what I did is I have downloaded all of the emails from Nabor, and I have uploaded them in one fell swoop. So you don't have to purchase an external program like MailChimp or Constant Contact. Generally, those are $50 a month for this kind of thing. eMarketing can do it for free for you. So just be aware. Okay. So if you got any questions, email me or call me, or watch some support videos inside. You can see Get Support inside eMarketing. So hope that helps, and we will talk to you soon.